Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the USHA branded pedestal fan, USHA FARRATA. See, this comes with the metal body like aluminum finish, and this is looking strong enough and at lightweight only, means medium weight you can say, compared to the plastic build. This is the metal build but not that heavy. I just lifted this fan. You can take this fan from room to room, and when we connect this power, this is the switch type they have given. Yes, and this is all metal body, okay, and the finish is looking really good. For the speed variations, there were 3 speeds: speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, with the dial they have given. Once you switch on, there is a dial at the back side. There is a dial. See, you can just keep the fan in 3 speeds. The airflow is really good, but noise, the heavy wind speed you can observe. And this is height adjustable also, but I tried to find the exact match of this fan in online, but I couldn't find the exact match. But yeah, somewhat I got a USHA FARRATA fan, but yeah, that model is quite different actually, the one which I have seen online. And the offline store, the price they have said something like 4,500, and in online also the prices were similar only. Yeah, this is the speed adjustment, and there is height adjustment also. You can just adjust the height. So this would be ideal for the people who standing height. Air delivery is also possible with the height adjustment, see here. And coming to the online, I just searched over Flipkart and Amazon, and see here USHA FARRATA X. This is somewhat different model, okay. Now here it is showing like 4,400, and the rating is of like 4.1, decently good. But remember, this is the plastic body, I guess. Yeah, body material, it is mentioned like plastic material, and 160 watts, okay.